Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today you are going to learn how we make our best-selling wallet. Stay tuned until the end of this video. In the step 1, download the template in the description, print it and carefully cut it out. In step 2, to reduce the thickness of the leather, we use skiving tools. And then, transfer the cutout template to the leather and carefully cut the leather as well. A precise template will make your work much easier. My friends, making a video takes hours. Please support us with your like and comments. For a beautiful finish, we use a torch to hit a liner to create 2mm lines on the edges. Now we paint the edges and burnish them with toconol. Now mark the inner parts and sand the areas that need to be glued. And then glue the inner edges. Now punch the holes for stitching the inner parts according to the video. To get a smooth edge, cut 3 mm from the stitched edge. Then paint it and finish it with Tokonol. At the end of the video, you can see the high capacity of this practical and best-selling wallet. You will surprise. At this stage, place the two inner parts on the main panel and mark them for gluing. Now, glue the marked areas and attach the inner parts to the main panel. It's time to cut the outer edges of the wallet to 3 mm. Punch the holes around the wallet according to the template and doing saddle stitch. Once you have painted and finished the main edges, you are done. Your wallet is ready. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful and practical wallet video. Please like and comment, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now is the time. See you in the next video.